Hi, so here's a quick video showing a liner I made to keep the carpet in my car clean. You can buy items for this purpose online, but they're costly, and I had some leftover vinyl anyway. I'm giving this car to my son, and as he drives on a dirt driveway, the floor of his car becomes pretty dusty. Preventing this car ending up the same way is the goal. So I roughly cut this vinyl to fit the floor and glued and sewed these Velcro pieces onto the back to hold it in place. The idea is the vinyl stops the dirt even getting to the carpet. I'm sure if you tried to cut and shape your vinyl to fit the floor without any folds like I have, you could manage, but I was pressed for time and wasn't too concerned about it. So there's an idea you might want to try yourselves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.